guys, it's Odette here and welcome back to today's video. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I do hope you guys are doing absolutely wonderful. So I'm going to be doing another video for you guys today. It's a simple makeup video and I'm going to be using probably a couple of new things which I'm going to be linking in the description box for you guys. But if this is your first time seeing my face here on YouTube, my name is Odette. Thank you for watching and thank you for tuning in. I'm really trying hard to get this channel monetized. It's been such a problem and I cannot get this channel monetized without your help, guys. I need your help, please, so my channel can be monetized. It's been a problem from day one. You know, YouTube support is just really odd lately, and although I've been getting a lot of requests and DMs from people to join YouTube groups, and I've done that before in the past, and I have been in so many, not so many, but I have been in a few YouTube groups before, like support groups. And to be honest with you, I feel like, you know, being in those groups was not benefiting me at all because everyone else's channel is already monetized. Obviously mine is not. So I realized that, you know, my support within that group was not really there. So that's why I'm really hesitant to join YouTube groups. I'm not going to be doing that. But if you do like my videos, I'm asking to please just watch the videos to the end. And I'm not going to make the videos too long and boring for you guys. So I'm just asking to just please watch the videos to the end because I've given support to so many people and I really want to get this channel monetized this year. I'm trying really, really hard. Anywho, guys, so my face is already prepped. The brows are done. And to be honest with you guys, just when I thought I found the perfect brow pencil, another one came along because this one from Dalton Beauty, I've shown you guys this one before. And I've also shown you guys the mascara, which I do have here somewhere, which is really, really good. I found myself another brow pencil, which is just my number one. And this is Precisely My Brows brow pencil from Benefit. This is absolutely awesome. This is what I did use to do the brows today. Love this so much. Let's get into the video. We don't really want to be yapping too much. And like I said, my face is already prepped and ready to go. And we're just gonna keep this look really, really, really simple. I am trying to pan this palette from Morphe. This is the Morphe 15D palette. I love this palette a lot because it's very, very neutral and it really does give me the looks that I need using this palette. So I'm going to be using a few colors from here just to give me a little transition. And I'm going to be using Forever as a base, and this is the Morphe M something brush. I don't even know what it is. It's so tiny, but it's going to be down below for you guys. And we're just going to start blending. This is very skin-like. I love this color. Very, very neutral. And again, it's called Forever. And I'm using the same brush, but I'm also going to be using my Sigma switch. And I'm going to be rubbing this off on here. Then I'm going in with my Revolution. This is the Reloaded Ionic palette, and I'm just going to be using this mustard color right here, just on the brow bone. Same brush, okay. Just gonna tap that off a little bit, and just right in the corner. Love the way that looks. And again, guys, makeup doesn't have to be fussy, to be honest with you. Makeup can be whatever you want it to be. And I'm going in now, I'm going in now with this palette. This is the Amethyst palette from Ruby Kisses. And I love this palette because I love the purple-ish vibe I'm getting from this palette, as you guys can see. And this is what I got recently, and I got this from a hair store, so I'm going to be doing that haul coming up another time. So I'm going to be using this very tiny brush, and there is a very light purple to the top, so I'm just going to dip into that a little bit. And I just want this somewhere below the brow bone, just like so, but I just want it in the corner. And I don't want it to be too bright anyways, just a little bit. Just like so. And so at the other end of this brush, I'm going to be using the shimmer color, and this just goes just on the lid. And this color is very pigmented. I'm not even using an eyeshadow base. I'm just putting this on. It's beautiful. Do you see how lovely that looks? It's not too bright, but I think I'm just going to bring it up just a little bit more. So I'm just going to take the deeper purple just right in the hood of my eyes. Okay, I think this is looking the way that I want it to look. I don't want it to be too much and too bright on my eyes. This is my liquid black eyeliner from Sheglam. So we're just gonna go in and put a little bit of this on the corner. I am not good at doing wing eyeliners, but I'm going to attempt it. And later when I'm going to be going in with my lashes, these are my brand of lashes, and these are called Just Girly. I will be putting those on in just a minute. So I'm just going to go in with this eyeliner, and this is from Ruby Kisses as well. And the name of this eyeliner is called Teal Blue, and this is going to be going in my waterline. And I'm also going to use my white eyeliner just in the corner. I like that combination of blue and white. So I'm going in now with my foundation from Becca. I do have my beauty blender here. And of course, like I said, my face is already prepped. So I'm going to be taking this NYX setting spray, and I'm going to be spraying my beauty blender. Yes, I am. And I'm going to be using this Becca foundation. Probably too much. That is probably way too much, but we're just going to blend it out. And it feels so good on my skin because the beauty blender is slightly damp. Let's go straight to blending, okay? I absolutely adore this foundation from Becca. It's one of my favorites. And that blended nicely into my skin. I'm going in now with my Nagi Cosmetics concealer. My favorite concealer to use. a little. I'm just going to use this brush and blend it out. Do you see how easy this concealer blended into my skin? Like 1, 2, 3 and it's already blended. I mean, look at that. And so I'm just going to use one of my little white sponges here. I got this from the dollar store. And I'm going to be using my FaceAtelier powder to set. I do love this powder. It's not a setting powder, but I just love to use this to set. And you guys are going to see in a second when I put this on, like immediately, I mean, it just simply modifies everything. Do you see how lovely that looks? Like right away, it completely just set everything in no time at all. And I don't like my highlighters to be too bright on my face either. So I'm just going to blend this out. Blends it out really nicely. This is my Fenty Beauty powder. And I'm just going to use this to powder my face, but I'm just going to use the back side of this sponge to basically powder my face. I'm going to be using my Beaute Highlighter palette, and I think I'm going to go with Glowing today. Just a little dab. Do you see that on the cheeks? This is so pretty. Just love that. Really, really nicely. I'm going to be putting on my lashes, and these are called Just Girly. I do have them lashes on, and so we are going to be going in with one of my favorite lipsticks, and this is from Jaclyn here. You guys would have seen this on Instagram, and a lot of you guys love this lipstick. It's called You Guys. Here we go. This is beautiful, guys. You've got to get some of these lipsticks. They are gorgeous. So pretty. I'm just going to use a purple lip liner. This is a gorgeous lipstick, guys. Really, really pretty. Let's set everything with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Oh my God. Ah, so pretty. Let me pull the hair down and then we are finished. Okay, my lovelies, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I love this makeup look. A slightly monochromatic look with a little soft hint of purple on the eyes, and of course this bold purple lips coming at you. And this lipstick is from Jaclyn Hill. It's called You Guys. I absolutely adore this lipstick. I love it so much. Very, very simple look, and of course you guys know I don't like going in with too many things on my face. I love to keep it really, really simple and kind of classy looking because I'm over 50 and I don't really need to be over dramatic with my makeup. So this is what I came up with today. And I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you enjoy watching. I would love to hear your comments in the description box below. Please leave me your comments. Subscribe before you go. Thumbs up this video, and I do appreciate you watching so much. Thank you guys so much for spending this little time with me. My name is Odette. Everything that I use on my face is going to be down below for you guys, just in case you want to create this very simple look if you are over 50 or not, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, always be kind to each other because kindness always pays off. Thank you for watching. I shall see you next time. Toodles!